Hello guys and welcome to Indian Geek Society. First of all, thank you for liking, commenting and subscribing to the channel. Thank you for your support. And today we are talking about the international release of Zack Snyder's Justice League. We still have no clue specifically about India. Now an official from Warner Brothers India have commented on it and said that they are committed to bring Zack Snyder's Justice League to India and they are working with their partners. I have 5 points with me stating why it's not a good idea to release this film theatrically. Now of course as a fan I would love to watch this in theaters, but we have to be practical too. Now the first point is that DC is not as big as Marvel in India, and we have seen that previously with the box office collection of what a Marvel film earns and what a DC film earns. So betting a huge amount on the movie and releasing it theatrically will not be a viable option. Second point is that the film is 4 hours long, including an interval, which of course in India will get, and due to that 4-hour length there'll be less shows per day, and it's really expensive for the theaters and for the distributors, and they'll not get the return of their investment. The third point is this is post-pandemic, post the lockdown. Theaters are still struggling. People are not showing up in large quantities as it was before the pandemic. That also reduces the amount of people will show up for this movie. Before I go to the next 2 points guys, if you're finding value in the video, do hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Point 4 is that the movies are rated. That means it will be adult. So therefore again restricting more people to come and watch the film. A lot of people under 18 will not be able to watch it in theaters. And of course the censor board will cut out a lot of things from the movie and they'll ruin it. And we as fans don't want that, of course. The fifth and the last point is piracy. Now if this film comes out in theaters, it will not be available for a lot of people. People who cannot afford it, people who cannot go to theaters, people who cannot afford spending 5 to 6 hours in a theater. And there can be 1,000 reasons why fans cannot go to theaters to watch this film. I'm not even talking about the general audience. And of course, as the film comes on HBO Max in America, it will be pirated around the world. So people who don't get to watch it legally, they will pirate it and watch it illegally. And that's the hard truth. And Warner Brothers will lose a lot of money. And these are the 5 reasons guys that this film should not be released in theaters. It will not be helpful either for the fans or the producers. Again, as a fan, we would love to watch it on the big screen, but the truth is it's not feasible. Therefore, the best alternative is going on an OTT platform. It can be Amazon Prime, Netflix, or even Disney Plus Hotstar. Also, it's not yet announced when this will come out in India. It's maybe because everyone was waiting for what is the response of people and Indians to the trailer, how much the demand is there, and with that they can negotiate about the price. Maybe that's what they were waiting for. We still don't know, but we know that it will be coming to India legally, and that's the good sign. So guys, do let me know in the comments what do you think. Do hit the like button, share this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, do consider subscribing and support the channel. So guys, thank you for watching. See you later.